Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna make a password manager where we first need to enter the website, second we need to enter our email, and third enter our password. Then if we submit, we have a data.txt file over here that the information will save to. And yeah, let's get into it. But first, you can just copy my structure, and yeah, let's get into it. In this tutorial, we're not gonna use the geometry because we don't know what exact geometry we're gonna need for the window. In the variables, we're gonna make a submit and a generate. Wait, sorry, this should be functions. Generate password, pass the submit, pass. Now in the main code, in the main code, we're gonna make the labels now. And in this tutorial, we're gonna use the grid. Also gonna make the entry, and the entry's width is gonna be 35. And with the website entry, we're gonna use it as column 1, row 0. And for the email label, it's gonna be email/username. If you just want it email, you can. Then we need to do the email entry. Same with the website entry is with 35. The same with the email entry. Now we're gonna go to the password label. You can see password entry. And for the password entry, we're gonna do it as width 21. Then over here is the buttons. And add button, we're gonna use column span for the add button. So as you can see, if we now run it, it's gonna do something like this. And yeah, then we're gonna add a logo. If you want to add a logo, that's fine. If you don't wanna, it's also fine. So yeah. Then for the logo, you wanna add a Canva. and the width and height is going to be 200. Canvas grid, column 1, row 0. And yeah. So then if we run it, as you can see, this will pop up. But now we're just going to do this. Sticky E. And for the add button, it's gonna be sticky EW. W. As you can see, still it is the website is still in the logo. So we're gonna go to the canvas. And columns not. Not this. Sticky. If it doesn't work for you, like it doesn't work for me, we don't need the logo. So after we did all of that, we're just going to do the submit. Go to the add button. Submit, as you can see. In the submit, we're gonna get the email entry.get. Gonna get every information from the email entry, the website entry, and the password entry. As you can see. Then flan email entry.get equal to 0, or and for the website or for the password equal to 0, we're gonna show a message box. As you can remember, we imported the message box, and the message is gonna be, please don't leave any fields empty. So else we're gonna just is okay, the message box dot ask okay cancel. Title gonna be confirmation message. Then end is okay. We're gonna with open. We're gonna open the data txt as a data file. Then write the information we got from the entries into the data file, and then we're gonna website entry.delete and password entry.delete. So the website, you could just stay there, or you could do this. Wait, sorry, it's the email entry delete. If you want the email to stay there, you can. And now we're gonna do the generate password. Make sure you have the command over here. We're gonna do the password entry.delete, and we're gonna do this from random, import choice, random, and shuffle. So letters, and then the numbers, symbols. Then as you can see, we do the password for letters, just to choice, letters, or in range As you can see, or you could do this, but the random and do 8 to 10 password. It auto completes for me, but you can just copy 8, 10, 2, 4, and 2, 4. Do the password numbers with the password letters, numbers, and symbols. And after that, we're gonna create a password list variable that's gonna add the password letters, password numbers, and password symbols. And then we're gonna shuffle them together, and we're gonna get a password list. Then we're gonna do password and empty blank join. We're gonna use the join method, and then we're gonna join the password list. And in the password entry, we're gonna just insert the password variable. Now, if we run it for the website, I don't know, last email username, your email, gmail.com, password. You can generate the password, and as you can see, this. And as you can see, it will save in the data file, or as you can see, it will say the oops if you leave any empty fields. So that's all it for today, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.